Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan cover frame in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new meat pan cover frame. The meat pan cover frame is located in the fresh food compartment above two crisper drawers. It serves as a glass shelf and as a meat pan support. The main reason why the meat pan cover frame would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place, or the drawer supports crack and won't hold the meat pan. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Well, we're going to remove the meat pan by sliding it out. Lift up the glass insert and take it out. Now we're going to lift up on the frame and we can take it out. This is the old meat pan cover frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to install the new frame in. The frame has two slots on the back and two grooves on the front here. So the back ones slides on the back pins and the front ones will lock on the front pins. Let's try. And then I'm going to push it down. Now I'm going to install the glass insert. And then the meat pan. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.